Hello everyone, my name is Parker, and I'm just at my grandma's house. I'm just showing you her cat. Look at her. Her name is Missy. Missy! Missy! Missy, Missy, Missy! Missy! Missy. She's such a cutie. She's also an old cat. My grandma got the cat from my sister. And yeah, she had her ever since. She had her for a couple of years now. And she's just a cutie. Look at her. You see? It's just so cute. Oh, and by the way, my cat got taken off. If you guys seen in my videos, you would see I had a blue thing on me. You would see that I had the blue cast on my arm. Got taken off. But she is the cutest little thing ever. She's also like super soft. If you guys were here to feel her, it's like it's really soft. Even her whiskers are soft. I like the little black spot by her nose. It makes her so good. Yeah. Just here at my grandma's house. I'm gonna make a video when I get back home. And I'm gonna make a random video. This one's just at my grandma's house, so nothing really to do. 9-foot charger life. It's like 9. I love these 9-foot chargers because I can like lay down like this, and the plug's all the way back there, right there. Oh yeah. So she's just a little princess. Missy. She's so soft. You can play with her for, like, under the black, it's like white. You see? You can, like, do all that. Yeah, she's lazy. She's a lazy cat. Barely moved. See, all she moved was to turn around. I guess she doesn't. I guess she's camera shy. Well, bye guys. See you in the next